Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bev and I'm back with another planet related video. If this is your first time, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way anytime I post a video, you'll know. So, it's time for me to decorate my Happinichi for next week. Next week is the week of Valentine's Day, so I have this kit that I got from Shop LCA. I'm going to use that along with these wiggles that I got from Scribble Prints Co. It was the wiggle of the week a few weeks ago. And I have this memory keeping dates and holidays so I can put the numbers down because the headers are going to cover the numbers, I believe. If you're wondering where I got this Happinichi layout from, this is a printable from Scrap Craftastic. I am a Patreon member and this is one of her perks for being a Patreon member. So, does she have one that says this week on here? No, I don't think so. But I'm going to just lay this across the top here because I think that's cute. It's overlay for the words here. These are really thin. I'm going to put them like that. So cute. Oh, goodness. I hope I'm in frame because I tend to go out of frame. So, yeah, so I'm not a big Valentine's Day person. My husband's birthday is the 16th, so you can see why. Like I made that crooked. I try to make it, fun for him and everything like that, and he loves me every day of the year. But they always go and sneak off and get me something, flowers, a card, candy, something. But I want them to get me a big bag of pistachios. That's what I want for Valentine's Day, the jumbo bag. And that'll make me happy. So, I have these. I think I might want to put it on Tuesday and Thursday. Right? So that's cute. And I have I got 5011. Oh, here go homegirl tweezer. I was about to say, where the tweezer now? Where the tweezer? So I put that there and put this there so that I can put a header over top of them. See my little disc getting in the way. Let me see. There's always a way to do. So put that header like that. Okay. And put another to-do header here. Right. I like to put important here. I think last week I put it up there, but who knows? Let me see. Next week, right? So I'm gonna get one of these, put it here, and then put the next week on top so you can see it, and it still has decoration. I'm gonna put today here. and put a little overlay over it. I like that a lot. So it's a lot of little icons and stuff. Let's see. I have an appointment. Do I? No. I don't have an appointment yet. Trash day. Y'all know I love putting my little trash day sticker down. So I'll put that here. Okay. And for here, let's see. I want to see what I want to put here. I might just put a header there as decoration because I typically put my medications there, or either I track YouTube or Instagram or whatever, you know, stuff like that. So this just has foods on it. I guess I could use this little coffee for Monday, because you know Monday is when coffee, well, Monday's there, but it's the same thing to me. So let's see, all these film editing uploads. Oh, my laundry day sticker. I think he's gonna do laundry on Saturday. Let's see, shopping. That Friday. I have to find something to put for Friday. Friday looks lonely. We can't have that. My weekend banner, I'm gonna lay it going across here. Right here. I like this, man. This is turning out really cute. That's why I love a good kit. Sometimes they just all comes together and everything. So date night, Sunday. Put it here, Friday. Cause his birthday is Sunday, so that means this is Valentine's Day. Let me put the numbers down this way. I'm not confused. Should I use these hearts? No, I think that's a bit much. I'm gonna just use regular numbers. 16, 15, 14, 13. My 14 is crooked. 12. I'm gonna put it on this side. 11. And I need a 10. I gotta go all the way up here for a 10, it seems. Yep. A 10. Okay. So let me see if I can fix my 14. Oh, I believe I can. Yes. Okay, so I did that. Grocery run. I think I want to put this next to the little shopping cart because it's so cute. And let's see, planning time. I do my planning on my pre-planning on Saturday. So no, I'm gonna put it just like this here. That way I still can write some things there. I have a meeting and stuff like that. I don't want to use all of my little stuff because I have to do my A5 spread and other spreads that I want to show a little of this Scribble Prints Co on it, if you will. So let me see. Let me put this on Friday. Okay. And get some flags for Monday. Let me see. Let me do a flag for Sunday. So I could put my little church sticker. I need a church sticker. Here it is. My handy dandy church sticker. I'm gonna use church flow because I always use church, just church. So let's put church flow right here. Then we going to church. I'm gonna use this $2 Tuesday sticker. No, I'll save it. Okay, so I like it. I like it a lot. Even though I don't drink, I just want to use this decoration to represent date night. So I'll just put the little wine glass there for decorations, you know. If you drink, that's whatever floats your boat. Doesn't bother me. Okay, I have a conference call on Saturday. So I could put that right there. Yeah. So, let me see. I think that's it for me, guys. I love the way this turned out. I'm debating whether I want to put that across or just say I should save it for another spread. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Just looking at the little icons and stuff. Oh, see? Here's a birthday balloon. Let's go right for my husband's birthday. Yes, happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, so. Alright, that's pretty much it. So, I love the spread. I like the way it turned out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly, and the channel is She Loves Planners. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.